All right, welcome to our learning management video on how to add multiple email fields to your share page. Today we're going to teach you how to go to your easy editor within the Talkable platform to edit your HTML and add multiple email fields. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to your Talkable campaigns and pick on the campaign that you'd like to edit. In this case, we'll do a standalone campaign. Once I'm in the campaign, I'm going to go to our easy editor. And once I'm there, I'm going to switch over from that easy editor into our HTML and CSS. Once I'm here, I want to make sure that I'm on the share page, since that's where I'm going to be adding the multiple email fields. As you can see, currently when I click on share via email, there's currently one email field where I can enter friends' emails separated by commas. We want to learn how to add multiple email fields here to make it easier to enter those multiple emails and encourage friends to share with multiple friends. So what I'm going to do in this HTML, I'm going to control find for a certain line of code. That code is label for equals email. So I found the code here. And what I want to do is I want to find and replace the code that goes from input down to this end slash right before the div. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this entire piece of code with some new code. So I'm simply going to paste in that new code and save these changes. So now I'm going to see if that has actually changed by testing and clicking on share via email. So in this case, you can see it doesn't look like it has changed. And that is because if you'll notice up here, it says if advocate share page layout equals email emphasis. In this case, I'm actually using the equal emphasis, so I'm also going to need to update that layout. So I'm actually going to do the exact same thing and look for that code again. So you can see here that code, we found it again, and we actually want to replace it again. All right, so I found the same code, and I'm going to do that exact same thing where I paste in that new code. Once I've done that, I'm going to save those changes again and also relook at it. So now you see when I click on share via email, there are 3 email fields. So we have successfully added it to both versions of the layout. So now if you use either the equal emphasis layout like this one or the email emphasis layout, you'll have multiple email fields in both of those variants that will allow people to enter multiple friends' emails without having to enter all of them in one entry field. So now you can preview this in your preview. You can just navigate to the preview, look at the share page, and again, you'll see those multiple email fields are there, and they will be updated in your live campaign. Thanks so much for joining us, and be sure to watch all of our training videos for more tips on how to optimize your campaigns.